I have spent months testing dozens of AI video tools, and the messy truth is that most of them are either overpriced, too complex, or just don't deliver the quality you need. After burning through credits, I finally figured out which platforms are actually worth your time and how to build a workflow that stops you from wanting to quit YouTube. First, let's talk about Runway, which is a versatile powerhouse for creators because it combines inpainting, lip syncing, and video generation in one fast place. Runway is incredible for quick ideation, though the final resolution can sometimes feel a bit soft compared to the newest models on the market. Next is OpenAI's Sora, which absolutely blew me away with its cinematic realism and incredibly smooth camera physics. Sora is the closest thing to professional film footage, but keep in mind that strict moderation and a 20-second limit can be frustrating for longer projects. If you need high-energy, punchy clips for social media, Minimax is a fantastic option because it excels at creating dynamic motion. It brings a lively vibe to your content, though you might occasionally need to upscale the output since the raw resolution isn't always top tier. Luma Dream Machine is my go-to for those moody, atmospheric, and slow-motion clips that add a unique style to your storytelling. While it's great for artistic flair, it might not be your best choice if you are chasing perfect, realistic animal or human motion. For those who need deep control, Cing stands out by offering face training and an element system that keeps characters consistent across different scenes. It has a steeper learning curve, but if you are focused on storytelling and character continuity, it is a truly powerful tool. But here is the real missing piece in all of this. How do you turn these generated clips into actual viral content without going crazy? This is exactly why Vizard has become a non-negotiable part of my toolkit for turning long-form videos into high-engagement shorts. Vizard automatically hunts down the viral moments in your long videos, trims them to the perfect length, and even handles the captions and hooks for you. Instead of spending a full day scrubbing through footage, the AI does the heavy lifting, saving me hours every single week. The features that make this work are the auto-editing, the automated distribution, and the content calendar that keeps your posting consistent. While generators like Sora and Runway create the raw visuals, Vizard is the machine that turns those visuals into a scalable distribution strategy. If you have a 20-minute interview, Vizard will find the best one-liners, format them for every platform, and schedule them out for the whole week. This closes the loop on content creation because editing is useless if you aren't posting consistently enough to grow. Vizard isn't a replacement for manual motion design, but it removes the grunt work that usually keeps us from hitting publish. If you want to try this, start small. Generate a short scene with Sora or Runway, then feed a long talk into Vizard to see the magic happen. Testing is the only way to find your perfect combo, but I highly recommend making Vizard the foundation of your process. Check the links in my description for these tools, and if you want a step-by-step on how I schedule a full week of content, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.